Today I read an article wrote by P. Chitambram about the neighborhood first policy of current government, in which I could find out a few prelims point which may be essential for the examination. So let us see quickly. India is having so many neighbors, in which Bangladesh is having the longest border of 4096 kilometer, followed by China, and third one is the Pak. 1, 2, and 3. Bangladesh, China, and Pakistan. Next, India is having border with the Nepal, which is open border policy. Means there is no visa required to export or import any goods, or anybody can go into each other country. Bhutan is having 578 kilometer boundary with India, but it is having strategically located, so it is most important for Indian point of view, especially strategically. Sri Lanka is separated by Pak Strait, मीन्स श्रीलंका और भारत के बीच की जो अब छोटा सा देखे होंगे हैं, ये इसको पाक स्ट्रेट बोलते हैं, जो डिफ्रेंशिएट करता, भारत को अलग करता है श्रीलंका से. वहाँ अभी करंट रिजीम में दिशा नायक के प्रेसिडेंट बना है. ही इज हैविंग द मार्क्सिस्ट व्यू. मालदीव इंडियन ओशन में एक कंट्री है, where India out campaign were at the peak during Moiju's election, but now it seems that Moiju is visiting India as soon as possible, so we can expect a good relation with the Maldives also. However, P. Chitambram highlighted that the ops cactus were initiated by government of India for Maldives only. However, Afghanistan is having 106 kilometer of boundary, where is turbulent political system in Afghanistan led by Talibani government. So we do not have a good relationship with the Taliban government. All except China, all are the member of SAARC nation, means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, which were established in 1985, and headquarters is Kathmandu. It is having 8 members: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Afghanistan also. Then let us see few important point, like Lookist policy given by the I.K. Gujral. It is also called as the Gujral policy. However, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji took one step forward and named it Act East policy. And in the current situation, P. Chitambram criticized the Modi government as it is a neighborhood last or neighborhood lost policy following by the Modi government, because last meeting of SAARC was initiated in November 14. Later it was scheduled in November 16 in Islamabad. India, along with the 4 countries, denied it, so it could not happen. And later on, no initiative is being taken to conduct another meeting of SAARC. So the ex-finance minister Jaswant Sinha said that SAARC as complete failure, and Chitambram highlighted that Modi government took it as a permanent closure the relation with the SAARC countries. However, the government is taking many other decisions to engage with this Southeast Asian country, that is ASEAN countries. Thank you.